Good morning. Today we'll solve example by using the superposition principle. Where to calculate current flowing through 8 ohm resistor in the 8 ohm resistors by superposition principle. So how you can find now by using the superposition principle? Superposition principle means here we have to find the current flowing through this. What is the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor by using the superposition principle? So we will we'll solve the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistor by the individual voltage source. First, we'll consider this 4 volt is active voltage source and we'll short this voltage source and we'll find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistor. And in second time, we'll short this voltage source and we'll make active this voltage source and we'll find the current flowing because of this voltage source in the 8 ohm resistance, and we will add the effect of in the first case and second case, that will be the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistance. So we'll now four volt source active and 6 volt is inactive now. So we can find now so this 4 volt is active now. This is 5 ohm, 15 ohm, this is a 10, this is 8 ohm, and this is a 12 ohm. So now these two are in parallel. So we can find this 8 is parallel with 12. 8 into 12 divided by 20. So this way to find how much value we will get. We are getting is 4.6. Okay, so instead of this we can write here 4.6. 4.6 will be in series with this 10 ohm resistors. So further we can write this is 4.6 ohm and this is a 10 ohm resistors, 15, and this is 5, and this is a 4 volt. So now these two are in series. So total is 10 plus 4.6 is equal to 14.6 ohm. And this 14.6 will be in parallel with this 15. So this is parallel with 15, and therefore 15 in parallel with 14.6, and this is coming equal to 15 into 14.6 and divided by 15 plus 14.6, and this is coming equal to, we have to find these values. This is coming equal to 7.39. And this 7.39 is now in parallel with the, your circuit will now reduce it to 7.39. This is 5, this is 4. Now we can find here the current, total current I is equal to voltage upon 5 plus 3.79 is equal to 4 upon 12.39, and this is coming equal to 0.322. This is coming equal to 0.322 ampere. Now this is the current flowing through this 0.322 ampere. Now we have to find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistors. We have to find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistor. Now we have got this current is 0.322. Okay, this current. Now we'll find the current flowing through this. When you will find the current flowing through this current can be found by using the current division methods. And once you get this current, again we will find the current flowing through this by using the current division method. Okay. So at this point now we'll find how much current is flowing through this resistor, means this circuit. And now up to this we have got, this is 0.322 ampere current. Okay. Now the current flowing through this 14.6 current flowing through the 14.6 ohm resistors is equal to total current into, we have to find the current flowing through this, therefore we have to take the opposite side resistance, that is 5, not, it is not 5, it is 15. 15 divided by 15 plus 14.6. Now we have to find this value. And 15 is 4.833 divided by 0.69, and this is 2. We have to find this divided by 0.1632. Yeah, this much of the current is flowing through this branch. Now we have got this current is 0.1632. 0.1632 is the current flowing through at this point. Now again we have to find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistance. So how we can find now the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistors? Current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor is nothing but the total current we have got here 0.1632 multiplied by opposite resistance, so divided by 8 plus 20. Sorry, 8 plus 2. So this current is time getting this current 0.1632. So this much of the current is flowing through now this 8 ohm resistors. Okay, because up till this we have found this 0.1632. Now again by the current division method we can find this current. So this current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor is nothing but total current into the opposite resistance divided by full resistance. So we have got this 0.097 amperes. So we have got the current flowing through current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor due to 4 volt voltage source is कितना मिला current? We have got the current 0.097. Not 97 amperes. This current we have. Now we have to find the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistance due to the 6 volt voltage source, and we have to consider the first voltage source is now inactive. Consider now 6 volt source active and 4 volt inactive. So the circuit will become now like this. So this 6 volt is now active. This 8 ohm resistor, this is a 12 ohm, this is 10, this is 5, and this is 15. Now we have to find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistor because of this 6 volt voltage source. Now these two are in parallel. Okay, these two are in parallel, so we'll find the equivalent resistance of this. So 5 into 15 divided by 5 plus 15, 75 by 20. 3.75 ohm. Now circuit will become now like this. This is 3.75 will be in addition with the 10 ohm resistors. This is 8 ohm. This is at 12 ohm, and the circuit will now modify to this. So now this is again in series. So the resistance will become now, this is the 13.75, which will be in parallel with the 8 ohm resistors. Okay, now these two are in parallel. So we'll take again the equivalent resistance. So 13.75 parallel with 8 ohm resistors. And this is coming equal to 1.75. So this is coming equal to 5.05 ohm. And now this 5.05 is again in series with the this 5.05 in series with the 10 ohm, and your circuit will become now like this. We can find the current flowing through this because of the I dash is equal to this is the 6 volt. So 6 upon 5.05 plus 12. So it is 6 upon 17.05. So this coming equal to, so this is coming equal to 0.3519 ampere. So we have got this current now. Now we can find the current flowing through this 8 ohm resistors because we are interested in 8 ohm resistors. Okay. So we can find here the current flowing to the 8 ohm resistors. So this current to the 8 ohm resistors, now the total current is 0.3519 multiplied by the current resistance of the opposite branch. Opposite branch is 13.75. 13.75 divided by 13.75 plus 8. This one we have to find. So this is the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistors. Due to the 6 volt voltage source. Okay, now we have to find the current flowing through this. Now total current flowing is now is 0.22 and another current is current flowing through this 8 ohm resistor because of this 4 volt voltage source. It is a 0.097 0.097 0.097. This we have to add this. So the current flowing through these 8 ohm resistors by the superposition is approximately 3.2 ampere, 0.32 ampere. Current flowing through the 8 ohm resistors by the superposition principle is 0.32 amperes. Thanks for watching.